Morning, August the 11th, 2024. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Redoing my Beaver slide. I already made a couple videos on it. I don't know what this one is, 6 or 7. But I had to change out some luan. Right, I made some pieces there for you. They're just temporarily up there because I got to clean. I put marker tapes where the aluminums go up, the frame. See? And then right there, so they're not all screwed in. What I'm gonna do is wire wheel all the aluminum frame right there, and then I'll put Loctite and then put some S patterns on the wood and where the frame is. I'll put some on the aluminum frame, the Loctite, and Loctite's better than liquid nail, because sometimes liquid nails eat styrofoam. You got to read up on it. There's different levels of liquid nail. I use a Loctite. Let me see if I can find it for you. I'll show you in another video, but got to get hustling. I got a dear friend of mine, high school days and all, coming this Thursday, so we're going to shut down, and I got to have this all done by mid-September. So you never know what you're going to run into with these things. Remember, I'm doing the actual slide seals back there. Right, there you go. Right there, those. So, right, we had to take out the window. I'll just give you some basic measures. If you have the one slide on a 99 Beaver or 2000, measures. Overall length was 115 and a half. From there all the way down to there. Now, why is it 115 and a half? Because there's aluminum right there where the cabinetry goes on, so I can't have the wood on top of that because then it'll stick it out a little bit. So then I broke it up where it was 74 and a half on the first sheet, which is there, 74 and a half. I don't know why the camera keeps doing it. I'll say that in a couple of videos, auto adjusting or something. I'll look into it. And this one was 41 inches. That's the short piece. And then I had to notch out this. If you remember last time, it was curves there. I had to cut it out, folks. I'm going to show you why. So this one was square in the back, where the old one was round. The old one's here somewhere, right? You'll know it when you pull it out. And I got tired of changing the incandescent ball valve. So this is off of a boat, and they put them on the back of some RVs. If you see it, it says Leisure LED RV and Marine. So I had to notch it out for this. So this goes in like this on the outside, of course, and when it's straight, sorry, it goes small angle up, right, like that, and it'll face down 30 degrees, and that's a bunch of LEDs. So if a couple of them go out, I'm still going to have a bulb shining down. That's your docking light, and that switch is usually up under this cabinet here somewhere. It's there somewhere. Yeah, those are the reading lights, kitchen lights, right? Maybe, well, make a liar out of me. It's in there. Alright, just a little continuation video what's going on. And what I did, I drilled a bunch of holes in the curves and then took a sawzall on a slow speed and cut this out. So I had to take a file or a rasp, flat rasp to this. It's okay you pull some of this because you're going to put a substrate over it, where I'm going to put, not that one, my wife has decided she don't want that backsplash. And then, if you remember the other video, this was still on there. So I had to pull that off. Be very careful because you'll break that corian. Right here it is. Here's the pieces, and I got to clean them up still. A lot of little work to do, right? There's the big one. There's the little one. There's the window out of there, right? All right. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I even ordered some 3/32 RPDM rubber, because I'm going to make a gasket that goes around this. I'm going to make a homemade gasket. I actually made a template If you can see it, it's a green paper right there. So I made a template of this first, and I'll show you that when I take it off. And that would be my template, and I'll make it about an 1/8 inch bigger because I'm gonna pinch it down. And unfortunately, the darn screws they sent with it are cheap. Like, one of them broke off. Like, I drilled like a 16th hole, and then I put the stainless steel. I don't even think they're stainless, but they should be. But I'm gonna go buy stainless steel screws that small. I don't have none that small, so I'll buy a pack of 100 of them. I'm sure I'm gonna use them before I die. Anyway, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video on how the Beaver's coming along, right? So we got that really cleaned up nice. This is cleaned up, no stains. This was no stains, you know, just from, now I got a few right there, but the chair is going to go there. I got to focus my labor and my effort on fixing all this. So this has to be fixed, and that's a GFCI. I'm going to make a special video on that. I'm going to do that out there on my bench, right? I'm going to put a GFCI and a couple downstream, or what we call daisy chain, and show you how to troubleshoot them. But right now, that's what we got. All right. I don't know what that lock thing. All right, so I'm messing up my camera again. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. The motto is test, not guess. All right. Thank you very much. Safe travels, may your campfire burn bright. There's other stuff to do to this Beaver. I was in one Beaver. Those were powered. I think I'll do that probably next year, right? I do like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a monitor right there, a map monitor, and tie it into, I got some material coming for that, and that's my Onan generator. Temperature, voltage, oil pressure, right, hour, and even has the flash codes on it. Isn't that pretty neat? All right, getting there, folks. Remember, I rebuilt that generator. There's a video on that. That's a 7.5 8K. Folks, I think that's 11 videos. Please subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Tell me I don't know what I'm doing, you know, or ask me questions. I answer all of them. It takes me a while, but I answer them all. And don't forget, I got a Facebook page, 33,000. I helped 2 members yesterday with some difficult stuff. For me, it isn't. To them, it is. And they learned. All right. And they are going back on the page, Facebook RV Diagnostics, and updating the findings. Okay. So one of them is under warranty, I believe, or he's up there by Indiana, coming down from Chicago, and he's going to see if they'll fix it instead of him, because where they got that junction box for that generator, whew, and they didn't even put the electrical conduit clamp on it to hold the wires. They're just bare, rubbing up against a metal box. All right, there she is, folks. She's all tore apart. My baby. Yeah. Remember, this is a garage and a school. Come on down. I got 50 amp water and sewage. I got one of my members just stopping by already. He logged out a day for December the 2nd. He's just traveling, coming down from north, December 2nd, and he's going to head down south, I guess. I probably won't be here, but he knows. I've known him. He's come here before. That's what I do for my members. You can't take advantage of it. You got to tell me ahead of time. All right, because sometimes I got big projects going on, like my RV. All right, I'm focused on mine now. I got other ones out there to fix. I turned down 41 Class A's to fix this year, and it's what, August? It's 41 Class A's, big boys. Thank you very much once again. Remember the motto: test, not guess.